తెలంగాణ అసెంబ్లీలో ఎస్సీ వర్గీకరణపై చర్చ జరుగుతోంది. చర్చను ప్రారంభించారు మంత్రి దామోదర రాజనరసింహ. ఇప్పుడు ఆ లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Article 341. The court emphasized that while states can implement subclassification, categorization must be based on empirical data. Entire categorization process should be based on empirical data. So what is the empirical data? What is the definition of empirical data? జనాభా, అక్షరాస్యత, వృత్తులు, ఉద్యోగాలు, ఆర్థిక స్థితిగతులు, సోషల్ కండిషన్. సో ప్రధానంగా వర్గీకరణ, categorization or classification is based on empirical data. And preferential treatment which means protecting, giving more leverage to the most backward communities among the Dalits, among the SCs. The major recommendation of the Commission, it is based on 2011 census. The population 52,17,768. The communities 59 communities. ఇది ఒక ప్రశ్న ఉత్పన్నమవుతుంది. Why not 2 groups? Why not 4 groups? Why 3? It is not practically what the Commission has said. It is not practically to classify scheduled castes into 2 groups due to social, economic conditions and historical background. Dividing the SC community into 2 groups, this again result in developed and underdeveloped, will lead to imbalances and inequalities. అదే రకంగా according to empirical data, there are no difference among the scheduled castes at the level of group 4. At the level of group 4, not much of empirical data is there to create into 4 groups. Therefore, the Commission recommended 3 group classification, group 1, group 2 and group 3. This will achieve equitable resource distribution and social justice. అధ్యక్ష, 3 గ్రూపులుగా ఏర్పాటు చేయడం. గ్రూప్ 1, most socially, economically and educationally disadvantaged. Most socially, economically and educationally disadvantaged, overlooked communities or the castes. ఎన్ని కమ్యూనిటీస్, ఎన్ని కాస్ట్లు? 15 కాస్ట్లు. జనాభా ఎంత? 1,71,625. Percent of reservation is 1%. The original reservation to this community should be 0.45 to 5% if it is proportionate to the population. But the reservation has been given to the tune of 1%. Means 0.5% additional reservation has been given to group 1, which is called which is Vesulvat, preferential treatment. More scope to this community to grow. The most backward communities ఇందులో ఉన్నాయి అధ్యక్ష. Group 2, moderately benefited castes. 18 communities with a population of 32,74,377. 9% reservation. Group 3, మెరుగైన ప్రయోజనాలు పొందిన కులాల అధ్యక్ష. 66, పాపులేషన్ 17,71,766. 5% రిజర్వేషన్. Recruitment, preferential approach. Vacancies notified and unfilled in group 1 should be filled by group 2. Vacancies unfilled in group 2 should be filled by group 3. Roster points fixed for SC communities. Creamy layer recommended. Government decisions దగ్గర 4/2/2020లో cabinet approved the recommendation related to classification, categorized into 3 groups. Cabinet rejected the creamy layer. Telangana has 59 SC communities. Population of 52 lakh.